lesson is simplifying radicals. It's important to always remember your perfect squares. So for our 2 squared is 4, 3 squared is 9, 4 squared is 16. It's a really good idea to memorize that through actually 20 squared, which is 400, because you'll see in this video that when you know your perfect squares, simplifying radicals can be easier. So let's start off with the square root of 75. We know that the square root of 75 can be broken up into 2 factors of 25 times 3. And seeing that 25 is our perfect square, we know the square root of 25 is equal to 5. And so here's our square root symbol, and our 3 is left inside. So in simplest terms, the square root of 75 is 5 square roots of 3. Another one that here you will be able to simplify it very easily, because the square root of 81, actually 81 is a perfect square. So the answer is 9. We now are going to simplify the square root of 72. Well, knowing my perfect squares, I know that 36 times 2 is equal to 72. Hiding inside those factors, here we have a perfect square. So the square root of 36 is equal to 6, and our 2 is left inside the square root symbol. So the square root of 72 is 6 square roots of 2. How about the square root of 18? The square root of 18, we could break it up into 3 times 6, but neither of them are a perfect square, so I'm going to break it up into 9 times 2, because I know that 9 is a perfect square, and the square root of 9 is equal to 3, and the number left inside the radical sign is a 2. So in simplest form, the square root of 18 is 3 square roots of 2. The last one that we're going to just try today is the square root of 300, a bigger number. All right, well, I know that 300 can be broken up into 2 factors of 100 times 3. And again, 100 is a perfect square, so that in simplest terms is going to be 10 square roots of 3. If you liked today's video, please add a like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.